Why hard work beats talent every time. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the Voiceover Blueprint YouTube channel. My name is Mike Cathcote. I'm a full-time voice actor. And today we're going to talk about something that might surprise you. And that is the idea that if you have a great voice, whatever that is, that you're automatically going to succeed in voiceover. In the voiceover game, hard work, consistency, and smart habits are going to beat talent every single time. And stay with me all the way because I'm going to reveal the one specific advantage that hardworking voice actors have over just talented beginners that nobody talks about. And once you understand that one thing, the whole industry is going to make a lot more sense. So a lot of beginners, they first come into voiceover because maybe someone told them they have a nice voice and they should be doing this kind of thing. And that's great. That's nice if you have a nice voice, whatever that is, but that's not all there is to this industry. It's kind of like getting a nice camera. Just buying a nice camera isn't necessarily going to make you a better photographer. Clients aren't just booking voices now. They're booking real people, and they want those real people to be to sound natural and connected, conversational. And those are all skills that you develop. They're not just automatically with you if you have a nice voice. Talent might get you noticed once, but the hard work is going to get you hired again and again. And that is really how you sustain a profitable voiceover career over the long term. I've seen a lot of naturally gifted people with nice voices that, they get a little bit of success early, maybe a job here or a job there. And then all of a sudden they run into a brick wall. And there is a reason for that. It happens because talent has a limit. You can only get so far with talent. But hard-working voice actors, they keep trending upwards slowly and steadily. It's because they keep learning and adjusting and, practicing and refining their talent. They do things like get coaching, they practice daily, they learn how to self-direct, they analyze really great performances. All those things really contribute to your success. And after a while, the average voice person is far outperforming someone who just kind of comes in with a nice voice and thinks they can just hit the ground running. Okay, now I want to talk about something huge. And this is something that a lot of new voice actors underestimate, the amount of this that you have to do to be successful. And that is marketing. You could have the best voice in the world, but if nobody hears it, you're invisible. Hardworking voice actors who don't necessarily have natural given talent, they are still winning because they're doing the right things. They're marketing themselves all the time. They are following up with clients. They are, posting their samples and demos on social media. And, they're constantly out there beating the bushes for that next gig. Now, there is a right way and a wrong way to do marketing. If you're going to do direct marketing, make sure that you've had plenty of training and practice and you have demos in place that showcase your talent and that you're not just working off a DIY demo and that kind of thing, because you want to make sure that you're making the best first impression for those potential clients that you can. You also want to make sure that you have good systems in place to keep track of the people that you're reaching out to. Not only a good website to showcase your demos on, but also maybe a CRM or some sort of a program that you can use to follow up with clients or potential clients and make sure that you're staying on their radar and you're doing that consistently day in and day out. That is how hardworking voice actors get ahead. So talent doesn't get you discovered, visibility gets you discovered. So the people who are constantly doing their marketing, not perfect, not brilliant, just steady, day-to-day, continually outrun the people who rely on being naturally good. Think about any skill that you've gotten good at in your life. You didn't get there overnight. You may have a little bit of talent to get started, but that small, repeatable habit forming is what gets you good at anything. Voiceover works the same way. Hardworking voice actors build repeatable habits, tracking your auditions, practicing every day, auditioning every day, reaching out to clients or potential clients every day, following up with previous clients. All that builds on itself and it starts to compound. Talent gives you maybe a little bit of a head start, but Hard work gets you across the finish line. Okay, here's another big aspect to this, and that is where steady effort really matters, and that is beginner mistakes. There are a lot of beginner mistakes that people who are talented only can fall into, but the people who have worked hard and have gotten good coaching, they know the pitfalls and the landmines to kind of sidestep. They gain success much faster and over the long term. Hardworking voice actors, they stay curious. They seek guidance when they need it. They experiment and they grow because of that. Okay, here's what I was mentioning before about that one thing that hardworking voice actors have that gives them a huge advantage over just talented voice actors, and that is momentum. A lot of these people, they just they think that because they're talented, they can just sit around and wait for opportunities or inspiration or validation. But hard workers, they actually go out and they make their own luck. They create momentum through consistent action, and that momentum is unbelievably powerful. It'll actually get you in front of clients. It'll improve your skills. It'll build confidence, and it really turns a single booking into a repeat client. So that momentum compounds, and after a while, people will be like, wow, you're so talented. And it's really just, no, I just keep showing up. And by the way, since we're talking about these big landmines that a lot of people step on, I've created a video and a companion PDF, totally free if you want to grab it. It's called The 5 Biggest Mistakes New Voice Actors Make and How to Avoid Them. Covers everything from why training is so important, why reading instead of performing is going to kill your auditions, how to avoid bad advice, and how to use a DIY demo the right way. So if you want to click on that link in the description and pinned comment, you can download that video and companion PDF totally free. So remember, talent is nice, but hard work, that's what builds your career. Show up, practice, market yourself, build momentum, even if it's slow at first, and that is how you win in this industry. So if you've always wanted to be a voice actor, but just kind of had those negative thoughts of like, maybe I'm just not quite talented enough, or maybe my voice isn't the right fit, then throw that stuff out the window. Because if you're willing to work hard and do the right things in the right way and in the right order, you too can be successful in this business. It's not about talent. It's about how hard you're willing to work. Hope you liked this video. Appreciate you being here. And if you did, hit that like button and maybe subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you can make sure you get all these videos as soon as possible. And then drop a comment down below and let me know if any of these kind of resonate with you and if you're going to hopefully put these into practice to help you in your own career. And if you want to learn some reasons why you might want to fire some of your voiceover clients, then check this out.